what is 0.9% as as a fraction in simplest form. Look, just rewrite it. Percent means 1 over 100. Now multiply 0.9 times 1 means 0.9 divided by 100. Look, 10, 100, these are called power of 10. 10 to the power 2 means 100. So to divide a decimal by power of 10, just count the number of zeros and move the decimal from right to left equal to that number of zeros. Number of zeros 2. So you need to move decimal point 2 places, 1 place, 2 place. Decimal 009. So now convert this fraction, decimal to fraction. So delete this decimal and write the number of digit. That is keeping decimal, you have to write the number you are getting. You are getting this, and for denominator, for every digit, you have to consider 10. We have 3 digits, so write 310. Look, now we need to reduce this fraction 9 times. Look, 1 times 1 times 1, 1, add number of zeros. 1 times 9 equal to 9, then 3 times 3 equal to 9. So 1, 9, 3 are the factors of 9. Again, for 1000, look at here, 1 times 1000 equal to 1000. So 1 and 1000 are the factors of 1000. Then 2 times what? The number should be less than this, 500 equal to 1000. Then 3 times what? Actually, the common factor between these two numbers is just 1. Okay, so if you divide this 9 by 1 and 1000 by 1, you will get the same result. So this is the result, or lowest term or simplest form.